Santa Lucia versus Barosong.
Jersey number 1, basket. Time out, Team Barosong. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Time remaining in our second quarter. Score 44-40, 8 points lead by Santa Lucia. Jersey number 30 to jersey number 16. 3 points. One minute and 25 seconds. Jersey number 1, babas na kapasad. 4-2. Short. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Jersey number 28 to jersey number 24, kickball, single.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Kami late yan.
Late na po. Second semester. Second semester.
Investigation na. Kaya niya nga po.
Second na...
1 minute, time remaining. 2 points for jersey number 24. 50 seconds. Steal, jersey number 28, jersey number 91. Jersey number 91, jersey number 24. Good, good. Battle for rebound. 30 seconds. Foul. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 28, that's your first personal foul. Third of the team. $28 seconds remaining time. 25. 20 seconds. 2 points for jersey number 2. 15. 10. There's the whistle. Active shooting. Foul. Looking at jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, that's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 7 seconds, time left. First throw, no good.
Santa Lucia versus Barosong. Nakapula Barosong, Santa Lucia nakablue.
Basketball.
Third quarter na. Third quarter na. Third quarter.
Tatlong ula ba? Buwan tayo.
Ball position. Santa Lucia.
Jersey number 18 to jersey number 2. 3 points. Jersey number 04 to jersey number 6. For 3, no good. Rebound jersey number 41 for 2, no good. Back for the rebound. Save ball. Foul to the jersey number 20 of Santa Lucia. Jersey number 20, that's your first personal foul. First of the team. Jersey number 20, jersey number 41, Santalo. 4-2 block. Rebound jersey number 5 to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 to jersey number 18. Basket count for jersey number 18. Jersey number 04. You pass on jersey number 6. By jersey number 21, by jersey number 20, jumper 4-2. Basket count. Jersey number 2. The jersey number 5. The jersey number 18, the jersey number 24, 2 no good. Para the rebound, Nakuha. The jersey number 41, Team Baroso. Jersey number 41, nagdadala para the jersey number 04. Jersey number 04, nag-set up play. The jersey number 41, Tino. The jersey number 5, the jersey number 18. Stepping on the line. Ball on the jersey number 20, back to jersey number 04. 8 minutes and 30 seconds, time left. Jersey number 04, 3 no good. Rebound by jersey number 5 of Santa Lucia. The jersey number 5 to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, shot clock 10. The jersey number 18. No good. Rebound by jersey number 41 of Team Baroso. He passes on jersey number 04. Jersey number 04. Personal foul, second of the team. First attempt, no good. One out and two. Jersey number 18 to jersey number 20. Balik to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. And the shoot, jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 sa kalat, jersey number 20. Foul, basket now. Foul. Jersey number 15.
Sabi kanina ako, narigas sa may ball. Sabi na sulod.
Ball is through, basket. Jersey number 044, Reno, good. Bago sa rebound, nakuha ang Santa Lucia. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. 2 points for jersey number 20. Jersey number 04, the jersey number 20, the jersey number 41, jersey number 41, the jersey number 24. There's the whistle. Asphalt shooting. Foul, jersey number 25. Jersey number 25, that's their first. Personal foul, third of the team. Jersey number 24 on the free throw line, first attempt. Basket now. Jersey number 24 on his last throw. 2 out of 2. Substitution. Ball inbound to jersey number 18. Jersey number 2, balik kay jersey number 18 to jersey number 25. Jersey number 25 to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. And the shoot! The jersey number 5, reverse! There's the whistle, act of shooting. Foul. Jersey number 41, Timeout, Santa Lucia. 6 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time in our third quarter. Running score 56-52. Game points lead by East Santa Lucia. Jersey number 5 on his first throw. Basket down. Last attempt, no good. Rebound by jersey number 41. Pass to jersey number 04. Jersey number 04 dribbling the ball. Pass by jersey number 06, central jersey number 24. Save ball. Substitution. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. And the shoot. Short. Rebound by jersey number 1 and jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Still good. Rebound by jersey number 11. 4-2. Basket down for jersey number 11. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Time left. Jersey number 20. Balik kay jersey number 4 to jersey number 06. Fires for 2, no good. Rebound by jersey number 14 to jersey number 2. Jersey number number 06 to jersey number 04. Jersey number 04 to jersey number 41 for good. But there's the whistle. Foul to the jersey number 24. Christian foul. Timeout, Team Peroso. 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Time remaining in our third quarter. Jersey number 20 to jersey number 11 to jersey number 28 for 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 1, steal. By jersey number 16 to jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 06 to jersey number 06. Traveling violation.
Casiliano, shut down. Ito to kay Berhel.
Ball down to jersey number 11.
Paruso.
To jersey number 24, 3, no good. Follow up, no good again. Rebound by jersey number 15, steal by jersey number 1. Foul, basket down. Foul committed by jersey number 16 of Team Peroso. Jersey number 16, that's your second personal foul, warning for penalty. Jersey number 1, ball throw, no good. Foul after shooting. Jersey number 1 of Team Santa Lucia. Jersey number 1, that's your third personal foul.
Emergency sub, sir. Sub lang.
Sab lang eh.
Sub lang, sir.
Jersey number 06 first throw, basket. Two out of two.
Hampa, second one. Second. Tag wala, ano na? Second.
Foul. Jersey number 06, substitution, penalty situation. Jersey number 06, that's your first personal foul. First throw, basket down. Jersey number 1 on his last attempt. 2 out of 2. Jersey number 30. Ipasa kay jersey number 16 for 3. Para for yung nakuha ni jersey number 1 of Santa Lucia. Pass to jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. Go good. Rebound by jersey number 16 of Team Peroso. Pass to jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 41. Jersey number 16. 10 to shoot. 3 points for jersey number 16. Jersey number 30, the jersey number 29 for 3. 3 points for jersey number 29. Jersey number 11, the jersey number 1. Nakuha ni jersey number 30 of Pete Palazzo. Jersey number 30 for Rock. Steal for jersey number 11 of Pete Santa Lucia. Jersey number 11, the jersey number 1. Jersey number 142, go good. You have jersey number 1 there, so whistle. Absolute shooting. Foul. Jersey number 41, substitution. Jersey number 41, that's your second personal foul. Jersey number 1 on the free throw line. First throw basket down. Last throw, no good. Rebound by jersey number 10. Three minutes and 10 seconds. Jersey number 10, the jersey number 16, 10 to shoot. There's the whistle, act of shooting. Foul to the jersey number 14.
Karwa.
Jersey number 14, that's your first personal foul penalty. Time out, Santa Lucia. 3 minutes and 4 seconds time left in our third quarter. Run score 68-60. 8 points lead by Santa Lucia. Team Santa Lucia, isa na lang ang time out basta mag-last quarter. Santa Lucia, isa na lang ang time out basta mag-last quarter.
Shooter.
Jersey number 16 on his last throw. 1 out of 2. Three minutes, time left. Jersey number 2. Ball inbound the jersey number 30, the jersey number 16. Yung pasa kay jersey number 91. Steal by jersey number 5 of Team Santa Lucia. Jersey number 5 pasa jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. 2 points. Jersey number 30 dribbling the ball. Jersey number 30. Single substitution. Jersey number 91. Inbound the jersey number 29. The jersey number 30. Fires for 3. 3 points. Jersey number 2 to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 steal by jersey number 30 of Team Barroso. Rebound jersey number 18, 1 minute and 55 seconds, remaining time. Traveling violation, substitution.
Board mo kami. Board mo kami. Board mo kami ako. Tapos na.
Jersey number 04, jersey number 10, jersey number 24, jumper for 2. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Time left. Jersey number 2. Back to jersey number 25. Short. Back to jersey number 17. Caloso. Pass to jersey number 91. Jersey number 91 to jersey number 04. Jersey number 04 to jersey number 91 to Centro. To jersey number 10 to jersey number 6. 4-2. No good. Battle rebound. Number jersey number 5 of Team Santa Lucia. Pass to jersey number 18. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Block. 1 minute remaining time. Shot clock 10. There's the whistle. Penalty situation. Foul. Jersey number 6 of Team Barroso. Jersey number 6, that's your first personal foul. 55 seconds, time left. First row, basket count. Last attempt, 2 out of 2. Seconds. No good. Battle for rebound. One jersey number 10. The jersey number 91. The jersey number 24. Shot clock 10. Fire. 2 points for jersey number 24. 30 seconds. 25. 20 seconds. 2 points for jersey number 04. 10 seconds. 5. There is the whistle. Foul. Jersey number 91. Jersey number 91, that's your first personal foul. Penalty. First attempt, no good. Jersey number 18 on his last row, 1 out of 2. Ball on the jersey number 30. Off the jersey number 6, like the jersey number 30, jersey number 24. Jersey number 30, the jersey number 6, off the jersey number 41. 3 seconds violation. Jersey number 20, foul the jersey number 11. The jersey number 28. Jersey number 28, the jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 142, 2 points. Jersey number 30, the jersey number 24 by jersey number 30. Jersey number 24. The jersey number 6
Like,
stands to
share, mga
shoot.
kapasyon. Sa wala pa kapalo, ganit pakipalo na lang sa page. Salamat.
5 to shoot. No good. You want jersey number 6 again? Basket down for jersey number 6. Jersey number 11. You pass the jersey number 2, balik kay jersey number 11. Pass the jersey number 1 to jersey number 20. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 20, balik lang ang pass down to jersey number 2. 5 to shoot. 3 points for jersey number 2. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Nag-step na po ito. Jersey number... Steal the jersey number 1. Pass the jersey number 24. The jersey number 30. The jersey number 41. 2 points. Jersey number 11. 8 minutes and 10 seconds to remain time. Pass the jersey number 24, 2 long. You got the jersey number 6, Sophie Barroso. Jersey number 6. You pass the jersey number 35, score 3 points. Jersey number 11, nagdadalawang bola. You pass the jersey number 2. Balik kay jersey number 11, jersey number 2 again. Pass the jersey number 1. 10 to shoot. Traveling. Violation. Substitution. Ball on the jersey number 41, balik kay jersey number 30. Pass the jersey number 24. Pass the ball on the jersey number 24. The jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. And the shoot. Fires for too short. Dapat hindi para sa jersey number 1 too short. You pass the jersey number 20 to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. There is no whistle. Foul. Jersey number 11 of P. Santa Lucia. Jersey number 11, that's your first personal foul. First team foul. 7 minutes remaining time. Steal the jersey number 11. Logan, number jersey number 6 to jersey number 30. Jersey number 30 to jersey number 24. Jumper for 2, Logan. Rebound jersey number 11 of the blue shirts. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 2. There's no whistle, act of shooting. Foul. Jersey number 6 of Barroso. Substitution. Jersey number 6, that's your second. Personal foul first. Team foul. Jersey number 2 on the free throw line. First throw. No good. Jersey number 2 on his last attempt. 1 out of 2. Jersey number 24, rebound to jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, Palacento. Jersey number 41 to jersey number 24 to jersey number 30. 4-3, no good. Jersey number 6, 2 points. Deadlock, step back line. Jersey number 2 fires, 4-3, go good. Foul. Jersey number 6 of Team Barroso. Jersey number 6, that's your third. Personal foul, second. Team foul. Jersey number 1 inbound the jersey number 18, jumper, 4-2, no good. Rebound, the jersey number 41 of Team Barroso, there's the whistle. Blocking foul, committed by jersey number 2 of Santa Lucia. Jersey number 2, that's your third. Personal foul, second. Team foul. Ball inbound to jersey number 24, balik kay jersey number 2, 30. To jersey number 6. 6 minutes remaining time. Jersey number 24, short. Rebound to jersey number 18 of Team Santa Lucia. Pass to jersey number 2, jersey number 2. Basket down for jersey number 2. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 6. To jersey number 41. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. There's a whistle. Foul. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, that's your 4. Personal foul for our warning for foul. Third for the team. 5 minutes and 32 seconds. Time left. Ball is on the jersey number 24. Jumper for Lucio Good. The rebound, jersey number 20 of Team Santa Lucia. Jersey number 20. Okay, jersey number 20, jersey number 22 points. The running score 83-71. Avance ang Santa Lucia. Steal by jersey number 5. Basket down for jersey number 5. Our last quarter, running score 85-79, 8 points lead by Team Santa Lucia. Ball inbound to jersey number 30. Jersey number 30 na naka bola. Loose ball. Jersey number 18 dribbling the ball. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 18, can the shoot? Ipasok ang jersey number 2, jersey number 2. Fire for the shot. Steal by jersey number 6 to jersey number 41. Ipasok ang jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, there's the whistle. Act of shooting. Foul. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 18, that's your first personal foul. Warning for penalty, Santa Lucia. Jersey number 30 of Team Baloso on the free throw line. First row, basket down. Jersey number 30 on his last throw.
Ano ito nagdugang man?
2 out of 2.
81, 81, 85.
No good, foul for rebound. Loose ball foul to be the jersey number 5, penalty situation. Jersey number 5, that's your third personal foul, substitution. Jersey number 28 on his last first throw, no good. Second throw, 1 out of 2. Jersey number 25. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Time left. Jersey number 25 nag-set ng play. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 25. 5 to shoot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 28 of Team Barroso. Pass to jersey number 6. To jersey number 91. Jersey number 91. The jersey number 6 fires for 3. No good. Back to rebound. Ang kuha ng jersey number 91. The jersey number 34. 3. It's the ring. Wala. Sasha. This is jersey number 18 to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 fires for 2 short. Rebound by jersey number 41 of Team Barroso. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Jersey number 91 to jersey number 30. Jersey number 30 to jersey number 6. 2 points. Jersey number 25. And the shoot. There's the whistle. Foul. Basket count. Foul. Jersey number 91. That's your second personal foul. Third of the team. Time out, Team Barroso. 2 minutes and 49 seconds time left in our last quarter. Barroso, wala na itong time. Santa Lucia, may isa pa. Jersey number 18 on his bonus throw. Basket count. Jersey number 30 to jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. There's the whistle. Act of shooting. Foul. Jersey number 1 of Team Santa Lucia. Jersey number 1, that's your 4th personal foul. You are learning for foul.
Wala rin, sir. Nagdawag ako, magulang.
Wala. Ay,
First basket now. Again, no more time out ng Barroso. Santa Lucia, isa pa. Last throw low kay Barroso rebound.
Take out ang din, ha? Ano ko yung time out pa ngayon?
Jersey number 20. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Jersey number 34 to there's a whistle. Act of shooting. Foul committed by jersey number 25. Jersey number 25, that's your second personal foul. 2 shots for jersey number 30 of Team Barroso. First throw, no good. Last throw, go again from jersey number 6 to block, by jersey number 1 to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 ipasa na jersey number 18 to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 pasa na by jersey number 20, no good. But there's the whistle. Penalty situation, foul. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 20, that's your second personal foul.
nag-time out. Nag-exam na po. 5 minutes yung 46. May mga time clock na po. Sa fourth quarter, dalawa. Pero isa akin na sa third. 5 minutes 46. Mamo nga, dyan na kinaisa na lang bininda ka time out. Kina sa third quarter. Tiin mo eh. Nag-time out ka. Mungkin namon. Tala kayo mo. Time out nakapira.
No good. Rebound by jersey number 1. Jersey number 18 dribbling the ball. Jersey number 18. Deflect steal. Last 2 minutes. Jersey number 91 by jersey number 30. Jersey number 39 has set up play. Jersey number 30. Successful by jersey number 34 minus 44. Rebound jersey number 1, pass to jersey number 25. Steal by jersey number 30. There's the whistle. Foul. Jersey number 25, penalty situation. Jersey number 25, that's your third personal foul. Jersey number 28 on the free throw line, first throw, basket now. Jersey number 25. And the shoot. 2 points for jersey number 18. One minute and 10 seconds. Time left. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Tagalog. Last touch by the blue shirt people. Shot clock 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. 5 to shoot. No good. Jersey number 24 again. Jersey number 91. 10 to shoot. 50 seconds. Time left. There's a whistle. Foul. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 18, that's your second personal foul penalty. First throw, basket now.
Rebound!
48 seconds, time left. 48 seconds, time left in our last quarter.
Goal!
No good. Rebound by jersey number 1. 45 seconds. 40. Jersey number 2. Foul. Will be the jersey number 28. Jersey number 28, that's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Both teams, no more timeout left. Both teams, no more timeout left.
Oh, 100.
100
Card na.
Ano rin, ano baligyan mo dahil?
Lamay hati. Kasi gusto niya namin.
Pwede ka order?
Pwede ka.
Hindi ako mag-sino.
Ayun.
Sa Roman?
Umaraha, dulungan mo si Tolito. Hindi ato.
33 seconds, time left.
Ano naman, foul ba, no?
Dua pa, warning pala sanda.
Yeah, foul ba? Hindi kayo
Foul. Hold out naman. Foul. Percent net foul.
Alam mo yan. Alam mo yan. Ano tuligan man. Nagsumahan namit na yun. Ha?
Technical foul. Looking at the jersey number 2 of Team Santa Lucia.
Ito yata.
Hold out.
Kaya may harap pa ng tutusunan.
Jersey number 2, foul. 15 seconds, time left.
Kailan kayo, munoon ko lang kayo mabalik pa itong kakabyo. Nagpakabyo sa hapon na 1,000.
Hold out ka na natin. Kaya pinagod namin na parang gugulaan.
Hindi ang technical ko. Ang mamangkot ko na kung sino ako na paula.
Kaya ginapalagambal si Jeric.
First throw, no good. 15 seconds.
Side ball, side ball. Technical foul lang. Yan mo side ball. Hindi mo na kayo technical na.
Gani, abi ng nagluto shot.
Technical, one shot lang to. Ay mamo, technical foul. Hindi na na-include sa mga penalty.
Free throw.
Ay, kita na, bilang mo.
Hindi, natingala natin.
Foul, free throw. Hindi, gawa pa. Yan, di ba? Free throw? Free throw, foul?
Hindi,
Technical foul.
Yeah.
one throw lang lang.
Jersey number 24. 10 seconds. 5 to shot. Foul. Jersey number 30, penalty situation. Jersey number 30, that's your first personal foul.
Free throw to, di ba? Hindi nga naman, hindi nyo ipag-free throw ang tao.
Second game, please prepare.
Hindi foul na niya. Technical niya. Ang free throw niya may foul. Kaya puti natin. Maduwa tayo ng free throw pa eh.
And of our first game, winner, Team Santa Lucia.
Congratulations sa
Second
Talasio.
game, periodo sa lahat ng mag-warm up. Second game, periodo sa lahat ng mag-warm up.
Ang call nga is foul.